Hi, in this tutorial I will explain the basic mathematical operation in Microsoft Excel. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and exponentiation. Uh, First of all, here I have two numbers, 6 and 3. Now, the first rule you have to learn when you are typing any formula in Microsoft Excel, you have to start your formula by writing the equal sign. Without equal sign you will get nothing. Let's see, if I write just 6 plus 3 for example and press enter, it's a text. Microsoft Excel consider these numbers as a text and nothing happen and there is no result. But if we write equal at the beginning of our formula, 6 plus 3, so it will give me 9. So as a rule of thumb, when you are going to write any mathematical equation or formula in Microsoft Excel, you have to start your formula with the equal sign. Now for the first one, equal 6 plus 3, we get here 9. But I can write it like this, or we can write equal and use the cell reference or the cell name. Here 6 located in cell C4. So if I click here, it will give me C4 plus E4. So now this mean calculate the sum of C4 plus E4. When you press enter you will get the result. What's the difference between just writing equal 6 plus 3 and writing C4 plus E4? Before we explaining the difference, you have to know how to edit your formula. After you wrote your formula and press enter, you will get the result. Now maybe you have some modification to your formula. Maybe you have to change numbers, you have to change one of cells names inside this formula. So just come here on the cell and double click, you will get the formula. You can edit your formula and press enter again to get the result. Also here double click using the mouse and you will get the same. Also we can change we can edit the cell by pressing F2 in the keyboard. Just click on the cell and press F2, the functional key located at the top of your keyboard. You will get into your formula and you can edit it. Also if you click on any cell, you will see its content here on the formula bar. So you can click also and change or delete or add or do whatever you want to do. Okay, now going back to our question, what's the difference between equal C4 plus E4 and equal 6 plus 3? We get here the same result, but if you look here, let's see what's the difference. If I change this number from 6 to 10 and press enter, only this cell change it to 13. 10 plus 3 equal 13, and this cell stay fixed. Why it's fixed? Because here it's fixed number 6 plus 3, but here we use the cell reference. We refer to this cell and to this cell. So Microsoft Excel will go to these cells and see its contents and total them or sum them up. Okay, this is the difference. So don't use the fixed number all the time in Microsoft Excel. Just use cell references. Here I will write also equal 6 minus 3. This is how you write a formula. The result is a 3. 6 minus 3 equal 3. And here equal also C6 times, this is a multiplication sign in Microsoft Excel. This is how we multiply two numbers or more. C6 times E6, we will get 18, and here equal 6 divided by 3. So this is the division sign in Microsoft Excel. This is our result, and the last one is the exponential or exponent sign. The exponent, for example, if we say 2 to the power 5, what this mean in math in general? It's mean 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's mean multiply 2 by itself 5 times. This is the meaning of exponentiation in math in general. So here equal C8 to the power. How I wrote this sign in keyboard, you can use shift with number 6, shift plus 6, it will give you the exponential sign here, and 3. So 6 exponent or to the power 3, you will get this result. So this is in general the basics formulas in Microsoft, or basics operation or calculation in Microsoft Excel. Let's take another example. Here I have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. To calculate the total for these numbers, we will use the same techniques. I will press equal, or I will write equal sign, because as we mentioned before, if you want to start any formula in Microsoft Excel, you have to start with equal sign. So now B4 plus B5 plus B6, this is our formula. Press enter, you will get the result. Here equal, here we will want to use subtraction. Item price minus discount, enter, you will get the result. For this example we will to use multiplication, so equal 15 times 120, press enter, you will get the result. For division, equal, the same techniques, 25,000 divided by 5, you will get the result 5,000. And for the last one, equal 2 to the power shift plus 6, 2 to the power 5, and this is our final result. So this is the basic operation or mathematical operation in Microsoft Excel. Let's see the last example. Here we have some salesmen like Baker, Richard, and so on. We would like to calculate the sum or the total for the 4 quarters, which mean the whole years. So I will write equal quarter 1 plus quarter 2 plus quarter 3 plus quarter 4, and then press enter, you will get this result. And for the second cell, use the same technique, plus plus plus, and press enter. And for others in Microsoft Excel, we have something they call it fill hand. The fill hand is this part of cell, the small square here at the bottom right corner of the cell. If you just click on this fill hand and drag it down, you will get the results for the whole cells. I will explain fill hand in details and see its all cases and how it's work in a different lesson. So this is for today. Have a good day.